We're going to do the simple count before we do anything else. Okay. Inside these numbers over here, we add up SCHW to 53. 3 by 5, 15. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 and 15, you know, is a striped ball and the black ball. 8 and 15 is 23. RTZ, Z26, T20 is 46. Plus 18 is 56, 64. 64. We're not going to go any further yet, but RTS is Artees. Arteezy. I'm not sure, I didn't go into the enunciation and understanding further in this, so we'll leave it alone. The total of this is 117. 7-11, the game of craps, is talking about the ring that goes around, 14 around, 7 up and down. If 7 is up and down and 14 is around, then you have 7 and 5. 0, 7 equals 13. You have the AC energy because the dice that points up means from below, it goes up. Whatever is below goes up. So through the 5th gate is the 7th gate. The energy created through the 7th gate. Up and down can be 5 and 2, 4 and 3. It can be 1 and 6. 1 and 6 is the light. Okay. So now what we're going to do is from this number over here, 5 times 3 is 15. 5 plus 3 is 8. 15. 1 times 5, 1 plus 5 equals 5 and 6. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 plus 6 is 11 equals 41. Plus the 0 for 30 equals 47. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 plus 7 is 11 equals 39. 3 by 9 is 27. 3 plus 9 is 12, 39. So this number, and this number will end on this number. 53 will end on 39. Now 64 becomes 10 to light, becomes 16, becomes 7. This will become your AC energy. I won't go down that road, but I will take you down another road. 6 by 4 is 24. X, 6 plus 4 is 10, equals to 34 means 1. 1 equaling to 34 plus 6 for the 10 equals to 40, equals blue fire. 40 because of the 0 becomes 46, and then 46 resides over here and then starts here. So this number will take you as far as this number and stay there, and this number will keep repeating over and over and over again. 4 by 6, 24, then 10, then 16, then 40, then 46. So this number will keep saying 46. What's in between 46 is 5, the light. What's in between 4 and 7 is 5 and 6, the passage of the light, the 6th man. So these two added up together equals 93, and this is Saturn. Saturn is the eye of the cat in the hat, because 10 is the crisscross of 1928, time heaven of artificial intelligence. And that's where these two words come in, Schwartz and Christ. In the word Christ, C and H for the creation heaven, C equals 63, creation is 6. H equals 68, the ring. They have the same thing inside of Schwartz. So take away C and H, take away C and H. Inside of Christ is an S, inside of Schwartz is an S. Take away S, C, and H. You have war, warties, war times, if you want to look at that. Inside is an R in Christ. Inside is an R. All you're left with is W-A-Z. Was. Okay? Inside of Christ, you only have an I. So the I becomes 69, and W 23, 24, and 20, and 26 equals to the 50 stars of the 9 birth. So when you count these 9, the reality of the stars is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in between the 6 stars is 5 spaces, is 11. The other stars is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in between the 5 spaces is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces, 9, 11. 69 comes from I. But from was, or when, or now, whichever way you want to look at it, we're going to take this, 23, 24, 50. 50 becomes 56. 56 and 69 is 124, the bad cat. 9 and 6 is 15 equals 6. 5 and 6 equals 2. 6 and 2 equals 1 and 5. 1 and 5 equals 9 and 5. And we're not going to mention that because I'm going to have to start writing that down. So let's jump off and do it a different way. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 plus 6 is 11. 30 and 11 is 41. Plus the 6 equals to 47. This 47 goes back over here, ends up at 39. This is what Schwartz gives you. What Jesus gives you over here is 69. 6 times 9 is 54, the sun. 6 plus 9 is 15, equals 69 again. The sun, 1 and 5, 1 times 5, 1 plus 5. The same thing that we got over here. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 6, coming out of this number, 53, and coming out of this number, 1 times 5, 1 plus 5. So what do we have? 1, 5, and 3 says the ace cat. So however it works in their terminology for understanding numbers, this is what the numbers reach. One other thing we wanted to reach is 125, 53, the total from the beginning, and 64, the total for the end. And this is inside the game of craps, which means you can buy numbers, you can parlay your numbers. There's different ways to make bets. In this game over here that we're talking about, the ring, 8 and 6 pay 7 to 6, which is 14. 9 and 5 is 14, and the 9 and 5 are special because they have the same numerological count, and it's the number of the cat, 42, 42, 84, coming out of Pluto. Number 10 and number 4, 104, which creates the spirit of Zion Israel, 164, because anything with a 0 gets a 6. 10 and 4 is also 14, the ring. Why? Because we can't start on 1, there's 2 dice. So you have to take it to the next level. We start on B for 2 dice, 1 and 1 is B. We start on K, 1 and 1 is 11 for the king. So we have over here 117, 50, 64, 110, 117. Where do we get 125? I don't know. I'd have to count. This number and this number is 117, 19, 3, 22, 30, 40, 53, 54, 64, 72, 82, 92, 102, 112, 118. So how does this get to be 118 and I'm over here at 117? Let me count that again. 26, 36, 46, 56, 64, 64. 19 and 8 is 27, 37, 47, 50. 19 and 3 is 22, and 8 is 30, 40, 53. 54, 64, 72, 82, 92, 102, 112, 118. How come I keep seeing the same mistake and adding up the same number? I won't let it go this way. But to show you how I ended it, the numbers that will return to each other, this one will return to this one and stay at this one. So the last number to move was between here and here, 86. And the last number to move between here and here is 110. Remember, 1111 plus 110, 1111 plus 110, 111 plus 110. Keep doing that, and you'll find the formation. So we're going to count this again. 64 and 53 is 117. Oh, I didn't count the A, 118. Sorry about that. And what's funny about that is AR, R plus A equals S19. R minus A is 17, and 19 is 36. The queen is the 7th gate. 9 times 6, 9 and 6 is 15. 6 and 5 is 11, 26. 15 becomes 6. This becomes 2. It becomes 0, 6. This becomes 0, 2. 0, 6 equals 66 equals 3. 0, 2 becomes 62, which is 8. 3 and 8 to Christ heaven, C and H. Woman, C and H, and woman, and 38 is the same thing because it's 888. It's 3 parts. 3 times 8 is 24. 2 plus 8 is 11. 11 says left, center, and right. Once you put it up in 11 like this, you automatically have my head to the center. You automatically have the outside of the hands here, and the outside of my hands here. Now, am I going to turn my hands like this? Yes. Am I going to turn my hands like this? Yes. Can I turn my hands like this? Yes. I can see the palms, but I cannot turn my hands like this unless I do this. What reality is that? I don't know. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. There's one other thing, connecting corners, 147, 1, 2. 2 numbers and 3 numbers, 3 numbers and 2 numbers until we bring the combinations of possibilities. We have to break these down into possibilities of combinations. The same thing Vegas does to find out the actual odds. You have to find out the actual possibilities. It's all the possibilities that we look for, but it's not all the possibilities that we need because the end result will just be that. Raphael, thank you for watching.